The Meatmen during Christmas is always a lot of fun. What else do we like to do? We like to cook and eat with our friends. Today we have this beautiful piece of meat. We really like our meats. That's why we're called the Meatmen. Today we have a Wagyu Tomahawk steak from Australia. I usually go for Australian steaks because I feel like it's a very nice balance between quality of meat and price point. Why we chose a Tomahawk steak is because we think it's a very nice centerpiece, and not only that, you get an extra robust flavour when the meat is close to the bone. So this piece of steak has already been rested for about 1 hour, so you want to cook steak when they are at room temperature. With such a thick cut of meat, we usually use the reverse sear method, where you put it in the oven at slightly lower heat, maybe around 100 to 120 degrees Celsius. So you want to be slightly rougher with this. This is what you want. So those outer mashed potatoes will be very crispy later on when you roast them. Next, we're gonna finish it off in a pan, in a cast iron pan, to give it a nice char on the outside. To me, the most important thing about steaks is the char, the crust on the outside.